Hello, this is Peggy Healy Stearns, lead designer for FabMaker Studio. Today's FabMaker quick tips are on the Reflect and Flip tools found in the Properties panel in the upper right. To open the panel, select the Properties tab at the top of the color palette. The Reflect tool is here and the Flip tool is here. To reflect an object, first select the object, then select the Reflect tool. You can reflect left or right, up or down. You can reflect the same object repeatedly in multiple directions. And you can select and reflect two or more objects at once. If you want to flip an object without making a copy, use the Flip tool. You can flip an object horizontally or vertically. So, reflect and flip tips. Select the object you want to transform. Select reflect or flip in the desired direction. You can reflect the same object repeatedly. You can reflect or flip multiple objects at once. Imagine the possibilities. Play around. Have fun.